Hi, I'm John Allen, President and CEO of Product Safety Consulting. Our field evaluation business is growing rapidly, and we're looking for a dedicated field evaluation engineer. This role actually has two career paths. For the travel enthusiast, you'll be on the road 50 to 90% of the time. You'll be gaining those coveted airline miles and hotel points by the boatload, but you'll also be gaining valuable industry experience. And if you're looking to transition into management, we offer that as well. While the initial role is significant travel, as I indicated, as we grow, so will you. PSC is a nimble, specialized company, and your experience and expertise is valued and respected. We foster an environment of professional autonomy, not micromanaging. Join our dynamic, growing business. You'll be riding the wave of our expanding field evaluation business and helping contribute to the future success. Are you ready for a new adventure? Come build your career at Product Safety Consulting.